What's happening, everybody? A couple weeks ago, we put out our top 5 glamping items, and I'll link it up here, or maybe it goes over here. I don't know. I'll just put a link in the description below. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. There's some really cool items on there, but we found a new item that launched itself all the way to number 2. Why not number 1? Because the ice machine is awesome, and nothing will ever beat the ice machine. Okay, so first things first, we aren't promoted. We didn't get paid to do this. We bought this item with our own money. We've been testing it out for like 2 months, and we want to share it with you. So what if somebody could take a air fryer? You've heard of an air fryer. An Instapot, and a crock pot, and put them all into one like super kitchen food thingy. It would be like the Chuck Norris of kitchen items, right? Well, somebody did, and guess what? It's appropriately named the Food Ninja. Hey everybody, welcome to the camper, and take a look at it right there, the Food Ninja in all of its black and stainless steel glory. Let's get a closer look at this thing. I mean, you could do air crisp, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, pressure cook, steam. You could sear and saute. I mean, one time I tried to find back massage mode. Oh, lower.
Hey Brian, what?
Well, this is embarrassing. I mean, look at this. There's slow cook yogurt mode. I don't even know what that does, but the ice machine's about to dump some ice and I'll have a drink and we'll figure it out. Okay, so one of my all-time favorite foods is a baked potato. But it takes so long in the oven, and when you do it in your camper oven, it just gets so hot. And what I always do is I forget they're in there, and then my potato is a rock. It's not even edible. So check this out. All you gotta do to make an awesome baked potato in this Food Ninja, put it on the pressure cook mode, put your potatoes in there for 10 minutes. When it beeps, let out the pressure. Come over here to air crisp for 5 minutes, but before you do that, you put a little salt and butter on top. When your timer goes off, it's like Chuck Norris just made you an awesome baked potato. This mighty little cooking machine could do anything. You could do chicken, you could do rice, you could do pork, you could do a roast. It's got that yogurt mode. I have no idea what that does, but this thing is amazing. And it's not just for camping. If you got a house, this thing is awesome. The only thing that we don't like is it's kind of big. It's kind of big and it takes up quite a bit of space. But for the amount of stuff you can do with it, it is totally worth it.
Plate. Ooh, fork, knife. Oh baby, here we go. Let's get this tater out of here. Oh, nice and soft. You know, the only thing that could make this better is some fresh... Oh, the ice machine read my mind!
So if you like crock pots, and you like air fryers, and you like Instapots, you're gonna love this thing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We're gonna have some more videos coming out soon. But in the meantime, if you can, get out, have an adventure, and make your own memories.